Millionaire Morning Rituals. Habits to build wealth and success. Imagine starting each day with a powerful routine that ignites your inner potential, propels you towards success, and builds a solid foundation for a prosperous future. These habits are not just elusive secrets of the affluent. They are accessible tools that you can embrace and apply in your life right now. So get ready as we unlock the timeless wisdom and motivational practices that will pave your way to becoming a true millionaire. Step 1. Rise with purpose. The dawn of each day brings forth a boundless canvas of possibilities, and it is your chance to paint life with purpose and passion. Embrace the morning light as a reminder that you have the power to shape your destiny and create a life of abundance. By awakening with intention, you ignite a spark within that fuels your journey to wealth and success. Let every sunrise be a call to action, a reminder that you are destined for greatness. Embrace the fire that burns within, knowing that each step you take with purpose brings you closer to the life you envision. Step 2. Power affirmations. They are the secret key that unlocks your inner potential and propels you towards the life of a millionaire. As you speak these empowering words, you infuse your mind with unshakable belief in yourself and your capacity to achieve greatness. Harness the energy of positivity, let it course through your veins, and watch as your thoughts become magnetic forces that attract success. Affirm that you are worthy of abundance, destined for prosperity, and capable of overcoming any obstacle that comes your way. Let these affirmations be a beacon of light that guides you through challenging times and inspires you to take bold action towards financial goals. By repeating these powerful mantras, you rewire your subconscious mind, creating a mental environment where success is inevitable. Embrace the transformative magic of power affirmations, and witness the extraordinary shifts they bring to your mindset, actions, and ultimately, your unparalleled success. Step 3. Healthy body, wealthy mind. The choices you make each morning to nourish your body and engage in physical activity are not just routine tasks, but the building blocks of a prosperous future. As you savor a nutritious breakfast, feel the energy surge through your being, ready to conquer the day's challenges. Embrace physical exercise. It invigorates your mind, sharpens your focus, and empowers you to tackle complex decisions with ease. A healthy body sets the stage for a wealthy mind, where creativity flows freely, and ideas sprout like seeds in fertile soil. Embrace the synergy between a nourished body and a sharp mind. They form the cornerstone of your journey to financial greatness. Step 4. Read for success. Embrace the magic of books. They are the keys that open the gates to knowledge, inspiration, and boundless opportunities. As you immerse yourself in the pages of wisdom and experience, you empower your mind to stretch beyond its limits. Allow the words of great thinkers, entrepreneurs, and visionaries to ignite the spark, driving you towards financial goals. With each turn of a page, you gain insights, strategies, and new perspectives that fortify your path to prosperity. Let the habit of reading become your daily ritual, and watch as your intellect sharpens, your vision expands, and creative faculties bloom. Step 5. Set intentional goals. As the first rays of the sun touch your face, envision the life you desire and map out the steps to get there. Intentional goals are the compass that guides you through the vast ocean of opportunities, ensuring you stay focused on what truly matters. Embrace the power of clarity as you define these goals, and watch as the universe conspires to make them a reality. With each one, you take a bold stride towards financial freedom and achievement. Remember, it's not just about dreaming big but also about the deliberate steps you take to make those dreams come true. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. Step 6. Productive planning. As you meticulously map out your day, you lay the groundwork for success and prosperity. Embrace the power of structure. It empowers you to maximize efficiency and seize every opportunity that comes your way. With a well-organized plan in hand, you become the master of your time, leaving no room for distractions to sway you off course. As you check off tasks from a list, a sense of accomplishment propels you forward, inching closer to those financial goals. Productive planning is not merely a habit but a powerful ritual that transforms chaos into clarity, uncertainty into confidence. Step 7. Focus on high-impact tasks. In the pursuit of building wealth and achieving extraordinary success, focus on high-impact tasks is the beacon that guides you towards greatness. Each morning, as you set foot on your path to prosperity, prioritize those tasks that carry the most weight in your journey. Embrace the power of concentration. It empowers you to channel your energy into activities that yield significant results. Avoid getting entangled in the web of trivialities, and instead direct your efforts towards the pivotal actions that move the needle towards your financial goals. With every high-impact task accomplished, a sense of fulfillment engulfs you, propelling you to conquer even greater heights. Step 8. Connect with mentors. As the sun rises each morning, reach out to those who have treaded the path before you. They hold the keys to invaluable insights and experience. Embrace the power of guidance. It accelerates your growth, allowing you to avoid the pitfalls and embrace the strategies that lead to success. Your mentors will become the guiding stars that light your way, providing encouragement and support during both good times and challenges. Embrace the spirit of humility, knowing that seeking guidance is not a sign of weakness but a testament to your commitment to excel. With each mentor you connect with, you add a new dimension to your understanding of wealth and success. Step 9. End the day with gratitude. Embrace the power of appreciation, taking a moment to reflect on the achievements that have graced your path. Let gratitude fill your heart and soul, knowing that every step, whether big or small, is a building block towards your dreams. With each day's end, release any lingering negativity or self-doubt, replacing it with a sense of contentment and optimism for what lies ahead. Embrace the transformative energy of gratitude. It opens doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Let gratitude be your companion, whispering affirmations of your potential and reaffirming the commitment to building wealth and success. You've now unlocked the keys to a life of boundless abundance and prosperity through these millionaire morning rituals and habits to build wealth and success. The journey towards financial greatness begins each morning when you awaken the money mindset alchemist within you. Embrace the power of your thoughts, visualize dreams, and seize opportunities with fearless determination. Stay resilient, for every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger. As you embrace gratitude, philanthropy, and time mastery, your wealth will not only enrich your life but also empower you to positively impact the world. With these rituals ingrained into a daily routine, you are now poised to create a lasting legacy that will inspire generations to come. So rise each day with the conviction that you are destined for greatness, and watch as the universe conspires to make your every dream a reality. Your journey to becoming a millionaire starts today, and the world awaits the incredible success story you are about to write. Believe in yourself, take action, and remember that greatness lies within you. Go forth and conquer,